Okay. Oh, look at that pour. Look at that pour. Ice! Gotta get some ice in here. It's a lot of ice I put in there. We can see how this works out. We can come with our base. Our base can be 99 grapes, 50% alcohol. Good to go. Oh, yeah. Put some here on your chest, okay? It got candy in it, yeah, but it put here on your chest, okay? Now we can come behind that with a bit of hypnotic. Remember I told you about this guy? Lived with his mom, okay? I think it was in the mom's basement, at least that's the story. Quit his job or drop out of college, something like that. But anyway, sold the company for 50 million. That's the end of the story. That's the important part, okay? Wish I was in my mom's basement. Now, we hitting this now with some Island Punch Pucker. Okay, by the way, the Kaipa, I had to order this through some internet side, dark web type. I thought buying drugs the way, how hard this was to get, okay? Because you can't find this anywhere. Okay, Island Punch Pucker. Oh boy, look at that blue, look at that blue. Damn, that's a pretty blue. Okay, now we followed it up with the king of the blue. Blue Curacao. Yeah. Now this real blue, you see what I'm saying? And this orange flavored, okay guys? So if you're looking for some oranges, but you don't feel like eating them, just drink it. Now guys, while that's blending, I'm using my other hand. It's corn syrup. Okay, now I grab myself here some pink sugar. And this was created by my girl Pookie, okay? So we come around here, we roll the bowl in our little corn syrup. Okay, look at his cuteness. You so cute, look at you. Look at you. You got to get these drinks to believe in themselves. You got to motivate them. You look good today. See that little pink rim? Okay. Oh, look at that pour. Look at that pour. That pour is damn delightful. It's so cute. Mm-hmm. Look at the color, okay? Now I come in here with my little tweezers. And I grab some of these gummy and I push them up against the glass like so. And you want to get them all around, okay, guys? Now I come over the top and I drop a couple of these bad boys on top here too, you see what I'm saying? We gotta see a little hypnotic. I think I'm coming like so. And we got us here a little 99 blackberry, black cherry, blackberry, okay? I think I'm coming like so. And there we have it, a worm's world created by my girl Pookie mixing it up. Pookie, oh that's your boy, okay? Let me tell you something about this drink. This was supposed to have lemonade in it, right? And I decided not to add it because I forgot, right? So the ice is the actual mixer in this. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, man. Stay tipsy. That's our new song. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, man. Stay tipsy.